Hello guys, today I will tell you how to fix a toxic relationship, because if a relationship goes bad, it will destroy your day, your week, it will make you demotivated, it will not allow you to focus, it will destroy your peace of mind. So we are surrounded with a lot of relationships, whether it is husband and wife, whether it is your parents, your in-laws, your friends. You could have relationship in offices, your boss and employee relationship, a manager employee relationship. It could be your relatives, close friends. So it is very important for us to keep a healthy relationship, and sometimes due to some misunderstanding or some rude behavior by either parties can result in that relationship going south, or over a period of time that relationship can get toxic. So how do you fix that relationship? And the only way to fix that relationship is through a proper mindset. And how do you develop that mindset? So just imagine the thought process. Anytime when a relationship goes bad, the first thing that comes to our mind is to blame the other person. It's quite often seen in husband wife, boss and employee, even with any other relationship for that matter. So it's easy to say that the other person said this to me, he uh, kind of mistreated me, or he cheated on me, or he is backbiting on me. So a lot of things that can happen which can ruin a relationship. So the first thing that we do is to blame, and when you do that, you lose control of the situation, you lose control of that event, you lose control on yourself, and also you lose control of that relationship. So what does Bible tells us to do that? Jesus said, love one another the way I have loved you. How did Jesus manage his relationship? That is how we should also manage our relationships. We should stop blaming and always figure out what is that we can do to make things better. What is that we can bring to the table? Because when you blame others, it's out of control. But when you say, what can I do better? You gain your control back. When you say, I can do this, that means you are in control. That means you get motivated once again, and you kind of get back into it. And it's very easy to fix a relationship and bring back that happiness very easily, because Jesus not only forgave his enemies, he also loved them. He loved those people who hurt him. He loved those people who even pierced his hands and legs with nail and a hammer. So that is the kind of mindset that we need to have. That is the kind of mindset, because you will gain control, you will have motivation only when you say, what can I do, instead of blaming the other person. Thank you for watching.